What if I told you that just 10 minutes of exercise today could start changing your body, brain, and energy levels almost immediately? Most people think fitness requires hours in the gym, but that's exactly why so many give up before they even begin. Here's the truth. The human body was designed to move. The moment you start walking, jogging, cycling, dancing, or doing simple bodyweight exercises, something incredible happens. Your heart pumps stronger, your muscles wake up. Your brain releases powerful chemicals that boost mood, reduce stress, and increase focus. And the benefits don't stop there. Regular exercise can help improve sleep, strengthen your immune system, support healthy weight management, increase energy, and lower the risk of many long-term health problems. But here's the biggest secret. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need a gym membership. A brisk walk around your neighborhood, a quick home workout, a bike ride, or even dancing to your favorite song can make a real difference. The key is consistency. 10 minutes today becomes 20 tomorrow. One workout becomes a habit, and that habit can transform your life. So here's your challenge. Stand up right now. Move your body for just 10 minutes. Your future self will thank you. Because every fitness journey starts with a single step, and that step can begin today. Follow for more health, fitness, and life-changing wellness tips. Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Via and tanmarket.com for more simple health tips, diet habits, food, and a better life. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always do your own research before making decisions.